The Samsung The Premier 8K has made history as the world's first projector to receive certification from the 8K Association. This flagship projector, akin to the Galaxy Ultra in the smartphone realm, offers an unparalleled home theater experience. Key features that earned it this prestigious certification include true 8K resolution, with a resolution of 7680 x 4320p, the projector delivers incredibly detailed and lifelike images. Exceptional picture quality. Beyond resolution, the 8K Association also evaluated the projector's brightness, contrast, HDR support, color gamut, and upscaling capabilities. Immersive audio. The projector features a built-in sound system that delivers Dolby Atmos audio, creating a truly cinematic experience. Wireless convenience. The Premier 8K is completely wireless, offering Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. It's also compatible with SmartThings, Alexa, and Bixby, and runs on the Tizen operating system, providing access to a wide range of apps and smart features. Ultra-short throw. The projector's ultra-short throw design allows for a large image to be projected from a minimal distance. In summary, the Samsung The Premier 8K is a groundbreaking projector that redefines home entertainment. Its combination of cutting-edge technology, stunning visuals, and convenient features makes it a must-have for cinephiles and tech enthusiasts alike.